child arrived just the other day. He came to the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away, and he was talking before I knew it, as he would say, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, then I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Son turned 10 just the other day. Said thanks for the ball, Dad, come on let's play. Can you teach me to throw? Said not today, I got a lot to do. He said that's okay, as he walked away, but the smile never dimmed. Said I'm gonna be like him, yeah, you know I'm gonna be like him. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, then I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. He came home from college just the other day, so much like a man I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you, can you sit for a while? He shook his head and he said with a smile, what I really like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then, yeah. You know we'll have a good time then. Long since the time the sun moved away, I called him up just the other day. I said I'd like to see if you don't mind. He said I'd love to, Dad, if I could find a time. You see my new job's a hassle, the kids got the flu. It's sure nice talking to you, Dad, it's been sure nice talking to you. As I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, he'd grown up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. We're gonna have a good time then.